What if I told you the highly anticipated DJI Pocket 4 is not just a rumor anymore, but is literally sitting on store shelves as we speak? Yes, you heard that right. In just the past few hours, the tech world has been turned upside down. We have moved completely past blurry leaked photos and sketchy manual diagrams. We are now looking at actual, fully packaged retail units ready to be sold. This is without a doubt the absolute closest we have ever been to a major camera launch without DJI officially saying a single word. So what is actually in the box, and when can you buy it?
Bye.
Let us uncover everything right now. First, let us talk about the launch date because things are moving incredibly fast. A well-known retailer named Drone Tech just made a massive slip-up, or maybe a calculated hint. They publicly listed a specific launch date of April 20th, 2026. Since we are already at the end of March 2026, this means the launch is literally just weeks away. When a real seller puts a concrete date out there, it usually means they're internal. Stock timelines are locked in. This perfectly lines up with the early rumors of a spring release. But here's the most exciting part. This does not look like a limited regional release. We are seeing massive warehouse shipments rolling out from China. Fully boxed retail units are also popping up in Colombia. This strongly suggests DJI is planning a near global release right from day one. You will not have to wait months for it to arrive. Let us dive into the specs and see what is actually inside these boxes. The leaks have been incredibly consistent. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to stick with the highly praised 1-inch sensor from the Pocket 3. I know some hoped for a massive sensor jump, but do not be disappointed. DJI is playing a smart game. They're focusing heavily on refining the image processing. Strong industry whispers indicate this tiny camera will support up to 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 120 frames per second. There are even credible hints it might push into 6K video territory for a camera that literally fits in the palm of your hand. Capturing 6K or 4K at 120 frames per second is an absolute game changer. But great video is nothing without great stabilization, and DJI is bringing the heat. They are introducing an upgraded stabilization system powered by advanced intelligent processing. DJI has a legendary track record with gimbals, and this new system is poised to make the Pocket for the smoothest pocket camera on the market. It completely changes the feel of your footage when walking, running, or vlogging. To power all this, the battery is getting a welcome bump to 1545 mAh, where capacity directly translates to longer continuous recording times. You shoot long events, this extra juice will be a massive lifesaver. Let us look at the design. At first glance, it feels very familiar. It's still the compact, lightweight powerhouse you expect. However, they listened to user complaints and fixed the annoying ergonomic issues. The handle is slightly longer and features a much grippier texture.
Ow.
This makes it far more comfortable to hold for long periods.
Ow.
The biggest hardware wins are the new buttons. We are finally getting a dedicated physical zoom button right where your thumb naturally rests. Alongside that, there is a brand new custom C button on the front. This lets you instantly toggle between your favorite shooting presets without fumbling through menus. They are also introducing an attachable LED light accessory. This is going to be an absolute lifesaver for vloggers shooting in dimly lit spaces or at night. Audio is another area where DJI is flexing its muscles. The Pocket 4 will feature native, receiver-free integration with the DJI Mic 2. This seamless connection makes capturing professional sound incredibly easy. Good on yes, the famous creator combo is back. The leaked retail boxes clearly show the creator combo branding. This means DJI is sticking to their successful strategy of offering a bundled package. It will include the external mic, extra battery handle, and likely that new LED module. For most serious creators, this combo will definitely be the one to grab. So how much will this cost you? Based on retailer leaks, the base model is expected to land somewhere between $499 and $599. The creator combo will likely be priced between $649 and $749. Considering the upgrades, it sits right in line with DJI's traditional pricing. In my honest opinion, the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be an incredible piece of gear. DJI did not chase useless gimmicks. They focused strictly on usability. By adding a physical zoom, fixing the grip, boosting the battery, and perfecting the audio, they took an already excellent camera and made it the ultimate everyday tool for creators. The new LED light and refined stabilization alone make it a worthy investment. If you are holding on to an older model or looking for the perfect vlogging setup, this is definitely worth the upgrade. We are right at the edge of the official launch. And once DJI makes the announcement, these units are going to move fast. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments, what is your best opinion about this product?